Kirchhoff's law of radiation, heat transfer, physics, class 11. What is Kirchhoff's law of radiation? For the answer of this question, we have to remember back to the definition of the two terms, emissivity and absorptivity. Emissivity or relative emissive power of a gray body is the ratio of emissive power of a gray body at a particular wavelength and temperature to the emissive power of a black body for the same wavelength and temperature under the same conditions. It is expressed by a Greek alphabet epsilon or a English small letter e. It is a function of wavelength and temperature. So, E suffix lambda comma capital T equals to E suffix R oblique E suffix BB, where E suffix R equals to emissive power of a gray body, E suffix BB equals to emissive power of black body for the same wavelength and temperature and under the same conditions. For a black body, E suffix lambda comma capital T equals to 1, as the numerator and the denominator are same. A fully reflector radiates no thermal radiation, so E suffix lambda comma T equals to 0 for it. Emissivity has no unit and dimensional formula. Emissive power of a gray body is how much close to a black body. It is expressed by the emissivity. As for the example, emissivity of human skin at 300 Kelvin for a IR wave of wavelength 3 micrometer is 0.95. Next, absorptivity. It is the ratio of absorptive power of a gray body at a particular wavelength and temperature to the absorptive power of a black body at the same wavelength and temperature under the same conditions. It is expressed by English small letter a. It is also the function of wavelength and temperature as that of the emissivity. So, A suffix lambda comma capital T equals to capital A suffix small r oblique capital A suffix small bb, where A suffix small r equals to absorptive power of real body, capital A suffix small bb equals to absorptive power of black body at the same wavelength and temperature under the same conditions. As for the example, absorptivity of human skin at 300 Kelvin for a IR wave of wavelength 3 micrometer is 0.95. For a black body, capital A suffix small bb equals to 1, as a black body absorbs total thermal radiation incident upon it. Absorptivity determines that what fraction of the total thermal radiation incident on it is absorbed. Like emissivity, absorptivity also has no unit and dimensional formula. Explanation. Let in the picture a gray body and a black body radiation at wavelength of IR wave, that is heat wave, 3 micrometer, temperature 300 Kelvin is considered. 100 joule per square meter per second of heat energy is incident on both the surfaces, and 50 joule per square meter per second is absorbed by the surface of the gray body. So absorptivity of the gray body is 0.5. Similarly, emissive power of gray body is 50 joule per meter square per second, and that of black body is 100 joule per square meter per second. Hence, emissivity of the gray body is 0.5. At thermal equilibrium, emissivity equals to absorptivity. Now the Kirchhoff's law of radiation. Kirchhoff's law of radiation states that the emissivity and the absorptivity of the surface at a given wavelength and temperature are equal. At thermal equilibrium, thermal radiation emitted by a surface will be equal to the thermal radiation absorbed for a particular wavelength of radiation. Otherwise, surface temperature will increase or decrease according to the previous theory of heat exchanges. So, at thermal equilibrium, for a surface of a gray body at a particular wavelength, small e suffix lambda, comma capital T equals to small a suffix lambda, comma capital T, or capital E suffix small r oblique capital E suffix small b equals to capital A suffix small r oblique capital A suffix small bb, or capital E suffix small r oblique capital E suffix small bb equals to capital A suffix r, as capital A suffix small bb equals to 1, that is absorptivity of a black body is unity, or capital E suffix r oblique capital A suffix small r equals to capital E suffix small bb. So, ratio of emissive power and absorptive power of surface of a gray body at a particular temperature and wavelength is constant, and it is equal to the emissive power of a black body at that same wavelength and temperature under the same conditions. It is the alternative statement of Kirchhoff's law of radiation. So, a good radiator of heat is a good absorber of heat also, as for example, lamp black. On the contrary, a bad radiator of heat is a bad absorber of heat also. A white paper is the example.